Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the actual plugin workspace. Make a folder, run npm in it, and install TypeScript and a bundler. Once done, scaffold manifest. JSON with your plugin name and main entry. You must link the manifest ID to your Figma account, open Figma, enable developer mode, and register the plugin ID. Then, create src/code, TS, and UI. HTML immediately so you have both main and UI threads. This gets you past basic setup and into code fast, avoiding needless delays. You now implement the core in src/code. TS, listen for selection changes, manipulate nodes, and expose commands through Figma. On run, meanwhile, create UI. HTML to collect user input and send commands via parent. Post message. Make types explicit so you avoid runtime confusion. TypeScript helps. Once the logic exists, wire build scripts to run TSC or Webpack and output to dist. Then test interactions locally by reloading the plugin in Figma and observing console messages. You finish by running extensive tests. Select varied node types, large frames, and missing attributes to ensure stability. Once stable, create a production bundle, increment manifest version, and submit the plugin for publishing or install locally as a draft. Make sure to include helpful error messages and graceful fallbacks. If things go wrong, inspect Figma and UI console logs first, add type guards, and implement small retries for async operations. Those steps catch most message timing or permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.